Hello and welcome to the second week of our 2-week mini lesson about story elements. My name is Miss Eckhart and I'm so excited to be learning with you this week. Last week with Miss Gallo, you talked about the setting of a story. Remember, that is where a story takes place. This week, our main focus will be on characters and character traits. For the purpose of this lesson, we are going to be using the learning management system Eduflow. When you first open Eduflow, this is what it will look like. You'll have a description of what our focus is for these 2 weeks, the goal, our learning standards that students will meet, both Next Generation and the ISTE standards, the International Society for Technology and Education. And at the bottom, you'll see an attached copy of our class syllabus. So to go to week 2 and our activities, you're going to click on this drop-down arrow under Miss Eckhart. You'll see below an introduction where you will find this video uploaded. Underneath the introduction, you will also find a tutorial for parents and caregivers. Here are some links to help you help your student be successful throughout this learning unit. We will be using the applications BrainPop Junior, Boom Learning, Nearpod, and some formats of Google Slides. We also have a virtual student portal and parent portal. So if at any time throughout the week you have a question about the course or the content or an activity, please post them here first. This way, if another parent or student has a similar question, they can also look here for the answer. Let's walk through what a typical day will look like. So let's start with day 1. Day 1, once you've logged into Eduflow and you come down to our week 2, you will see day 1, lesson and activity. So it'll take you to this page. It says, click the attached document to launch our virtual classroom. So each day this week we will be utilizing a virtual classroom setting. If we scroll down, you'll see Bitmoji Classroom day 1, and you're going to open the link for your student. Here you see our classroom. So every day there will be a Bitmoji character, a cartoon of myself. There will always be a reminder of what characters are and a poster to remind students of character traits. It'll tell them what day it is. So day 1. It'll also tell them, there will also be a short message here. If you would like to read that to your student, that would be great. Otherwise, I utilize it in my video that I share for each lesson. So if you click on the link where it says please click here, you will find a short video that talks about the lesson. On the bookshelves, you will find all the activities for the day. So each activity is linked to a different picture. Just ensure your student knows how to click on the links. It's pretty straightforward. I don't see them having any difficulties with this. There is also a folder for additional resources and activities, so additional games that your child can use throughout the week to practice learning about story elements, including setting, characters, and other elements of a story. At the bottom and on the last day of this course, if you could please fill out the final course evaluation, it would be greatly appreciated. And quickly, let's go over a few rules. All I ask is that you are respectful of your classmates. You act appropriately when you are engaging in online learning. So you are following safety rules, you're acting in a safe manner, and that you enjoy our lesson. I look forward to learning with you soon.